The summer is magic and so is my homemade limoncello. Let's turn this sunshine into something sparkling. Today we're making the Limoncello Spritz. I'm RJ Rockwell. Welcome to the Rockwell Bar. And here's what you need to make the magic happen. Lots of ice, Prosecco, sparkling water and limoncello. And yes, this is my homemade limoncello. If you missed the video where I made it from scratch, lemons, love and a little bit of patience, go check it out right here. And trust me, it's better than anything you'll find in the store. Now, start with ice. Don't be shy, fill that glass like it's the hottest day of the year. Now pour in 2 parts or about 60 ml of that golden liquid.
Tell me what kind of drink is this? Limoncello Spritz, so you're the star.
Add 3 parts or about 90 ml of Prosecco. And that's where the sparkles come in. Top it off with just a splash of sparkling water. And it's just a splash because you don't want to drown this party. And there you go, 1 part of sparkling water. Now give it a little stir like you're waking it up. And garnish it with a slice of lemon. Or get fancy with mint if you're feeling extra. Cheers! Oh, lemony, bubbly, that's Italian summer in a glass. Cheers! Or as the Italians say, salute! Don't forget to check out my homemade limoncello recipe. And hey, hit that button to subscribe if you like magic in a glass. Drink responsibly and rock well. Cheers! Oh, yummy, 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 yummy. Welcome! The summer is magic and so is my... I'm sure it's my homemade limoncello. Let's turn this sunshine into something sparkling. And hey, hit this... And hey, hit that subscribe... And hey, hit that subscribe button. Cheers.
Responsibly, follow the star, follow the taste to the Rockwell Bar.